Have you ever thought of using an app like Google Sheets or Notion or an all-in-one productivity platform? I've actually done that. When I first started using tools to organize my life and work, I completely ignored Google Sheets. I mean, what is it? It's just for accountants or people tracking boring data. Then one day I needed to build a budget fast. So I opened a blank Google Sheet, added a few formulas, and something clicked. Google Sheets is free, which means you can start building these tools without investing any money. That way I can quickly generate new video ideas with just a few clicks. Or take this monthly content calendar. At first glance, it looks like any other calendar, but it's actually a dynamic view of my entire content library. As I add or remove posts, the calendar automatically updates, no more manual labor. In fact, you can use this content planner for free by visiting the website below. Check it out. It's incredibly easy to learn and the payoff is huge. Stop wasting time and money on fancy tools that promise the world but deliver very little. Start building systems that work for you. Look, I'm not saying Google Sheets is the answer to all your problems. It's not. But I'm saying that you're doing yourself a disservice by sleeping on this tool. I used to think the same way until I gave it a shot. And once I did, everything changed. Now it's one of my most valuable assets for getting things done. You can literally automate hours of work with a few keystrokes, and if you're worried about messing up, well, don't be. All it takes is one great use case to open your eyes. And I'll let you in on a little secret. The possibilities are endless. My weekly newsletter. It's totally free and packed with tips, tricks, and templates to help you master Google Sheets and boost your productivity. Plus, you'll get early access to my courses and other exclusive content. Don't miss out. Subscribe today and let's grow together. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Once you start seeing what's possible, you won't want to use anything else. So go ahead, give it a try. Download the content planner, tweak it, make it your own, and start using Google Sheets to get more done and achieve your goals. Trust me, you won't regret it. Unlike a traditional spreadsheet where you might hide your mistakes, Sheets allows you to experiment freely. With version control, you can roll back changes, try again, and collaborate with others. You can even copy my exact content planner, make some adjustments, and call it a day. Here's how it looks when you open it up. You've got these neat-looking tables with content ideas, monthly calendars, and a video idea generator. But behind the scenes, there's a lot more going on. It wasn't just a spreadsheet. It was a canvas for automating reports, planning content, tracking habits, even managing my freelance clients. It was free, fast, and surprisingly powerful. Look, I get it. Sheets isn't as sexy as some new AI tool or productivity system promising to change your life in 30 days. But that's exactly why no one talks about it. It's not cool to be good at Google Sheets. And let me tell you, once you start seeing the power of this thing, everything changes. I built dashboards to visualize my finances, trackers for habit formation, calculators for business proposals, and much more. But my favorite has to be my content planner. I use it to generate content ideas, schedule posts, and even write scripts for videos. It's all based on this simple template that took me hours to build. It doesn't have an elaborate sales page or YouTube ads trying to convince you to buy into some guru system. There's no upsells once you sign up either. It's just this simple, powerful tool that does what it says it will do. You see, while everyone is chasing the latest trend, I've been quietly customizing my Google Sheets for over 2 years now. The best part, none of this cost me a dime. For example, this video idea generator uses a formula to pull from a list of potential topics and then filters them based on the video type. But don't worry if you don't understand these formulas, you don't need to be an Excel expert to start using Google Sheets. So here's the deal. And here's the crazy thing, it could be yours too. Before you go, I want to give you something else you won't regret.